cool is that? That's a cool flame job right there. That's a cool little contraption there. That's beautiful. Look at that. Golly. Very cool flames. Neat looking little hood ornament too. Very shiny. I like that blue too. That's a pretty blue. Boy, I bet this thing is so fast it can't hardly hold on the street. Goodness.
Eye on you?
Yeah, he's got his eye on you. Get it?
That flying eyeball?
Yeah.
Take a look at the hood ornament.
Yeah, I saw the hood ornament.
It's flying eyeball.
Yeah. Did you have that custom made, or did you find that somewhere?
Actually, the wings I bought.
Right.
And the other was an polished aluminum knob from an industrial supplier. And my ex-wife used a Dremel tool to carve the eyeball into it.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it came out all right.
I've been trying to get him interested in old cars, and I told him, I said, the thing to do is, imagine yourself driving this to school. I said, then you get to pick out which kind of car you want to get when you get older.
Don't forget the stick to keep the women out of the car. You know?
That's right.
You only have room for so many.
That's right. Real pretty car. This is a tough little vehicle right here. I love that instrument panel shaped like a V almost. See where speedometer is? I like the way that's shaped. That's real cool. It's a lot of chrome, buddy. Woohoo!
Oh, God, I hate that.
What?
When you're right about to sneeze and then it just won't.
It won't come out?
You won't sneeze.
Yeah.
And then at one point you just, okay, come on, sneeze. And then you try and make yourself sneeze and it won't work.
It's a cool custom ride here. Goodness, that's a lot of tire on the back. Almost looks like a truck tire. Alright, if I get the money, I want a 56 Ford pickup. I just love this front end. I love this body style. I mean, this is like a truck that I could drive daily and just enjoy the crap out of it.
Seems like it's missing a few parts.
Well, yeah, he's restoring it. I mean, this way you can see what he's done to it. I mean, a lot of custom work. I was looking at this Thunderbird, and the reflective quality in this paint is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if this will come through in the camera. Let's see. You can read that in the reflection. That's incredible. That's a good paint job. Look at the size of that trunk. Golly. Pretty pieces of chrome on there.
I told the sheriff, said
Charger here with a 440 big block.
I rest my case.
I like the lines on this. It's almost like a wave the way that line goes over like that, ain't it?
I wish I would go ahead and sneeze.
I wish you would too, so I can get it out of the way. I just wanted to show this off. I don't know if this could be appreciated in a video. Look at the lines on that. Golly. And look, you see how reflective? Isn't that incredible? Buddy, there is some money in that paint. All right. That is a cool Impala. Dang. Back end of this car is bigger than those smart cars. You could fold the smart car up and put it in the trunk of this car. That is too cool. That's impressive. How much?
$27,000.
27,000. '57 two-door. If anybody's interested, go ahead and give them a call. Well, that's neat looking seats. Passing by stuff, but man, there's so much to look at. How about the old wheelies? This old Willys Jeep kind of used in the war. See how the motor's set up? It's got a flathead Ford, a flathead 4-cylinder.
No,
Oh, it's for sale too.
yeah, he's on that. He rode down to the line
11?
in.
11?
No,
He's right there, he's on there.
he's past the line in towards the route is on another area. But,
Dog picking up a black dog picking up, he's not sitting on top. I come around the corner there, the guy gets back and back up and get another run, but I hit the wall.
Huh. Ain't that neat? $429. El Camino. There's El Camino for sale. Ooh. Talk about a pretty color. It's a real pretty color. Hey man.